Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Poco F4 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this smartphone. Start by opening settings. Now you need to scroll down and select passwords and security. Then click on screen lock and pick one of those login methods, pattern, pin or password. Following that, you need to wait 5 seconds and just got it in the pop-up. Now enter your login method and repeat it. When you're ready, you can select confirm at the bottom right corner or clear if you wish to correct your pattern or pin or password. I will go with confirm. So now I can also add my fingerprint by choosing add and following the instructions. I want to go with cancel though, so now when I click home button, turn off my screen and then turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!